Welcome back to the secret underground lair. We are now nearing the end of our tall cabinet. I have the shelves laid out and applying some polyurethane, so I put on a coat of polyurethane on the underside of one shelf, and I'm going to do the remaining 4 shelves, flip them over to the other side of the shelves, and then we start doing the polyurethane on the cabinet itself. And I will be taking the doors off and the handles off the doors to do the polyurethane treatment. But that's what's up for today and probably tomorrow. That's our adventure. Well, nothing too terribly exciting about putting on polyurethane, but that's what we're doing. You can see a little bit of color change as this goes on. Bring you over for a better look at that. Sometimes with the reflection where the light is, it's difficult to pick up on these little subtle changes, but that's what we're getting. So that's kind of how I'm doing one shelf. I'll do the other 4. Come back when that's done. So I'm putting on the urethane on the face of the doors while it's standing. I do find that a little bit easier than trying to lay them down. I'll take the doors off, then take the hinges off, and I'll paint the backs of the doors while it's on a table or work surface of some sort. But you can see, I'm hoping you can see, that applying this urethane just really brings out the grain, kind of makes it glow very nicely. And with the handle off, I can just do up the handle at the same time. So I actually am using a step ladder to do the inside of this cabinet. This is a very tall cabinet. So the last bit of staining to be done on this cabinet is to do the top. So I'm going to bring my ladder over so I can get up there. That's a very tall cabinet. All right, that is our urethane applied. Let's do this back edge. And we're going to call that done. Actually, back edge and the back. I haven't done the back yet. All right, that is our urethane applied to the entire cabinet. I'll let that set on the top for a little bit Just going to give a very light sand, a 320 grit, just to kind of knock off some of the high spots on the doors. I've already done the handles on one side, so we'll just take care of that business and we're good to go. We've now got everything sanded down. Everything is earthened, everything is now sanded at 320, so we are good. Just a little bit of a wipeout now, and then reassembly. I'm not going to fully reassemble. Well, actually I will. I'm going to put all the shelves back in, put the doors on, like mount the hinges and put the doors on, just so I can get a final picture of it. And then we'll take the doors off and the shelves off to be moved. But that's it, assembly done. And there is our cabinet all complete. Very happy with how this has turned out. All sanded. Of course, that's how we were going to start. So I'm very pleased with the result of that. I hope you are too. If you are, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. I like it.